español. Oiu bakarti bat, zerezaren erdian diren orduetan, zelai gutxenetan, zer da bakarrik galdu bat, bakarrik nora ezean, nora joan, jakin gabe, inora bizerke, eta noraino entzuna izateko oioa laguntzaria bizi berritzeko oioa erantzun bila berri sortzeko zer da baretan duena gure izpilu bat ez bada kritika zorrotzena gure buruena zer da oztopo galdua erronka bat ez bada azteko kate gabe ere ez dugu aske izaterik eta noraino eguko da entzuna izateko oioa laguntzaria bizi berritzeko oioa erantzun bila berri sortzeko pareta bila oiatzun bila laguntza bila erantzun bila pareta bila oiatzun bila, laguntza bila, erantzun bila!
Sound. band, so even drunk. I hope you love the music, I will kill you if you think I have a band, so even drunk. I hope you like the music, I will kill you if you think I have a band, so even drunk. I hope you like the music, I will kill you if you think I have a band, so even drunk. I hope you like the music, I will kill you if you don't have a band. Like the music, kill you if you don't have a band. I hope like the music, Gabon. Kontrola todo zo, horrekoan hainka egingo du. Ez da zazula berriz kolpatu ezbertzen, atzetia gaiten batzen, etiko lasten batzen, liburu gaizten, eskerrik asko ikusi ate. Egiten ditu zure guna, zeia berazgarriak zure iraina. Garetak, gezurrezko bizitzena, nire diretik atera nauten asomatzen. Topara bizkotzen, txatzen, gezurko kartzen, atzen. Egia ezagutzen, beldurrik gabe, azkarak zezen. Gora emakumia guztia, gaur morez gazten gare. Bueno, badaki bostozula eduki denbora asko abestitako detaile txikinak entzuteko. If I just fall from great with you, wonder that I can't really be. I am buried the sun, but the ideas will resist me. Let me go, boys, let me go, boys. Let me go out in the mother is on time. This land was always ours, was the plan of our fathers. It belongs to us and them, not to any of the others. Let me go, boys, let me go, boys. Let me go out in the mud with a foreign train. Impossible for me if you wanna dance again. Release me, I am buried in the sun. But the angels will receive me.
Let me go, boys, let me go, boys. Let me go down in the mud with Torrance.
Always I was the brown and all the fathers who belong to us and them. That's when all the others.
Let me go, boys, let me go, boys. Let me go down in the mud with Torrance. Let me go, boys, let me go, boys. Let me go down in the mother with a sword and drive. Aste honetik gatozen, ez? Zure txai! Zure txai! Zure txai! Altarazi, ezken bidean, ez naizelako aske bizi. Ez naizelako aske bizi. Nola zarete gai, ikusten zaituzten lazai. Ardura gabeak, ikus mundu honen jai. Edo zein lekutatik, ilargia da geri. Ametsak dira egi, erabat bete aurretik. Erabat bete aurretik. Oartuekin, bizi eta jakin. Zure arnaza, zure txai, zure lagun min. Zure urratxek badut araztori. Askatasuna ez dago preso hartzerik. Diotenak ez zaituela ardura. Zurea zara, ez zaude lotuta. Kantatu bizitza zure modura. Bakoitzari bere moinua. Mercedes eseri, pentsatzeari utzi. Begiak itxi eta ezer ez ikusi. Hobe dugulako itxututa bizi. Oartuekin bizi eta jakin. Zure arnaza, zure txai, zure lagun min. Zure urratxek badut araztori. Askatasuna ez dago atxilo hartzerik. Oartuekin bizi eta jakin. Zure arnaza, zure txai, zure lagun min. Zure urratxek badut araztori. Askatasuna ez dago preso hartzerik. Oartuekin bizi eta jakin. Armonikakin, ja! Haupa Harri, indauela hemen plaka bat Julen omenez idatzta dagoena, gero edo zuenok pasau ikustera. Eskerrik asko Harri. Voy a intentar puntear como los Never.
Are you finding a light? Or are you building your future? Are you still alive? Or are you fucking selfie future? Come on, wake up. We're going to take all die. But this is not way to know that this is what they want. Maybe we lose, maybe we win, but I prefer to die fighting than waiting like a lump in the fucking slaughterhouse. Come on, wake up, you're going to live or die. But don't you know that this is what they want. What they want. Rise your fist. Open your eyes, fight the system. Come on, get you right. Rise your fist, open your eyes, fight the system. So come on, get you right. Come on, get to life. Rise your feet, open your eyes, fight the system. Come on, get to life. Don't you know that life's right? Don't you know that they are lucky not to face that you can see. Don't you see that life's right? Oh yeah,
eskerrik asko, jotze. Beti eurra.
Don't forget to care about your life. And never forget to love the ones who die. So take it easy, it's not too hard. You know if you want or you will get it far too fast. You will always feel like a parking shot. But when you feel down, look out to the stars. They will give you something like never before. You will love your friends if the world goes on, goes on.
Love your mama, love your dad. They will always there when you were so far too far. Love your mama, love your dad. They will always there when you were so far too far.
Don't forget to care about your love. Never and forget to love the ones who died. So take it, it seems not too hard. You know you want it, you get it far too fast. Love your mama, love your dad. There'll be no wasting when you were so far too fast. Love your mama, love your dad. There'll be no wasting when you were so far too fast. Venga, va. Venga, ya, hacemos. Magia. To the muscle chips. Minute after it took high, brought the bottle last game. My man went to be fun in this side of free almighty. He's born in this generation. Giant money, what you have to say? This song, the freedom, is all I never had. Redemption song, redemption song. Emancipate yourself from under slavery. Now not yourself, go free our mind. Go no free for atomic energy. It's none of them comes called the time. How long that the freedom I need? What we stand beside the road. This border is the part of it. We got to fulfill the boat. What you had to say, this song of freedom is all I ever had. Redemption song, redemption song. Hey, what? What you had to say, this song of freedom is all I ever had. Redemption song is all I ever had. Redemption song, this
songs of freedom. These songs of freedom. These songs of power. Magnificent Seven. Hey! Hey, yo!
Eskerrik asko. Bueno, hau ez hau zuen dako doia, uste dut. Zure babesa ditzen da, baina zuen babesa.
Beran, hau indeunean, negauna zuentza transmitidu eta zuen gati jaso duguna. Hey! Deportez, zezenetik gualaitzen, eskertzen zure babesa, inork inoiz eman, ez diguna sentitzen. Gure musika maitatzen, bizitza sustatzen, sentimendu txarrak benak, poza bihurtzen, elkarri begira, elkarre sarkatzen. Garai handi bat betiko, gogoan gorde, berean betiko. You never walk alone with us, every moment with you, anything else. Let's play.
With me rolling down, you always looking at me, but kind of lovers, we used to live on the street.
We know we could be somebody. Garai handi bat betiko, zurekin gorde, berean betiko. You never walk alone with us, every moment with you, anything else. Garai handi bat betiko, gogoan gorde, berean betiko. You never walk alone with us, every moment with you, anything else. You never walk alone with us, every moment with you, anything else. Garai bat bide bat, anything else. Garai bat bide bat. Anything else, garai bat bide bat, because the sun is in it. Garai bat bide bat, anything else. Txalo bat eskatuko notzan, posible da. This is for you, Sven. ¡Hey! La fuerza oscura. Beti egitzen duzta iguala con salala, Alemania osotik. Salala, salala. Venga, va! This is power pop, Sven. Times we don't realize what's on. I don't know why. How many would drive you things on a face on a piece of place of wood. Ella preso más, a que parece, we only have to pay. And the father's staying and Jesus Christ, and be so proud about what they are. Welcome home, welcome home. The end is done, be the last one is coming. Whoa. Welcome home, welcome home. The end was done, be the last one is coming. Whoa, whoa. Comprender que piernas es mejor tener tres. Temblas y sudas, no te muevas. 4 uñas desgarran tu piel. ¿Cuántas cuerdas tiene un baño? Ya ves, nos falta una mano. 5 hermanos, un abrazo sobre el escenario. A lo mejor algún día volveremos a recordar. Sentirte a nuestro lado, a disfrutar. Viejo baño en los conciertos, quiero gritar y romper mi voz al viento. Llegaremos juntos al final. Ez deguna astu txapa irratia eta bergaroko gaztetxea. Aupa, egurra, hostia. Trago a trago y paso a paso tal vez nos refugiamos. El whisky en la garganta va haciendo su estrago. La saca de rabia, tiembla el cuerpo y tal vez en la sombra del baño quizás estemos viviendo en un mundo muerto. A lo mejor sentirte a nuestro lado, a disfrutar. Viejo baño en los conciertos, quiero gritar y romper mi voz al viento. Llegaremos juntos al hemendik entzun jatzue.
How do I head for today? Thinking of tomorrow, but not the fucking day. Looking out the window, everything is still the same. So I had better go back to my bed. A revolution from my bed again. I never thought that I could be so afraid. I'm sure that I will never give up to the end. I need something from you, my brother.
I want to wake a baby sheets, but I feel okay. Living in my dream, trying to understand this system. I really fucking can. I start a revolution for my pain again. I never thought that I could be so afraid. I should that I will never give up to the end. I need some help from you, my brother. Hacer usted Via un D.
Revolution. I got me humming, fall off the pillow. But it has no fucking same on the pillow. You never see it once again. Cause the weather is cloudy today.
Let's start a revolution for my pain again. I never thought that I could be so afraid. I should and I will never give up till the end. I need some help from you, my brother. Now I start a revolution
From my bed,
I never thought that I could be so afraid. I should and I will never give up till the end. I need some help from you, my brother. Now.
what for the radio? What for the radio? The whiskey in the jar.
Hey, gau bukatzen da bere zein gau inasko gaitzau. Disfruta! Hurre!
Once I was going over the far from Terry Mountains, I met with Captain Fairyland, his buddy, he was hunting.
On the way up with the wall, we're rolling it with Penny. We know and lie in Rome, we get some Tammy. What for the radio? What for the radio? The whiskey in the yard.
I got there and his money on, I made a pretty penny. I put it in my pocket and I bring it home to Jenny.
They wanna be walking the wall, they're around to be with Remy. We know they like it, that's all they feel so ready. What for the radio? What for the radio? The whiskey in the yard. Hey! We see. whiskey in ya.
I went up to my chopper and I thought the sea was numbered. I dreamed of going up Jowland, for sure it was no wonder.
They wanna give one festival, they're all giving this one. We know better life, get a show, and get some product.
One for the radio,
One for the radio, the whiskey in the ya. Push our ritual to a lie.
one for the radio, one for the radio, the whiskey in the jar.
Eskerrik asko, Wisi.
Eskerrik asko, Wisi. Nola ez, hauai gure bihotzez. Hau paio! Seizoken atzetik, minutuari begira. Zenbat kontzertu, zenbat izerdi, gauero emezuekin. Urteak pasata, bideari ekinaz. Aurrera segin, besterik ezin, indarrak batu eta argazpian. Dena ematera, gitarra eskuan. Rockaren bidean asko irabaziz galdu. Laguntzarra joan gehiago etorri, momentua biziz aurrera egin. Zuei eskerak jarraitzeko indarrekin, kilometroak eta tristurak horiek astuta hemen gaudela berriz. Etxean bezala, etxean gaudea, nonago, izan zirenak, izango direlako, benago, zure ondoan, beti zutik gaudelako, gordago, zerbezakora, topa egiteko mozkorrago, betiko bihotzean. You will never go. Hau batxu, zuko, bego, eskerrik asko, never go. Hau ikaragarri zea guretzat. You will never go. You will never go. You will never go. Arrolado, izan zirenak, izango direlako, benago, zuen ondoan, beti zutik gaudelako, gordago, zerbezakora, topa egiteko mozkorrago, betiko bihotzean. We never go. familia! Euren!
Jose, zuretako, like always.
Bueno, badakitzu sortu ginula taldi azkenian abesti honekin. The Pogues, Tuesday Morning, Julen gustokoena. Ezin ginen hau jogarik eratu, ez? Txoin! Emutia bai, benetan bihotzez eskerrak, badakigu hau zaila dara zuentzat bai guretzat, baina hori bueltia muten gabe eta zuei eskerra. Too many Saturdays, too many Tuesday morning. I saw you today, I was on yesterday morning. I saw you Tuesday, I was there yesterday morning. I know that you, with a heart beating like your eyes shining on a big day moment. Lie with you on a Tuesday morning. I saw the window, I wanna be was there beating. I saw it tomorrow, I will on midnight living. I saw it tomorrow, and I was on Thursday morning. I know that you, with a heart beating and your eyes shining on a big day moment. I lie with you on a Tuesday morning. For me, I will cover myself with sorrow. Look it's on from me, I was surrounding my heart to sorrow. Look it's on from me, I know we say goodbye tomorrow. I know that you, with a heart beating and your eyes shining on a big day of me. Lie with you on a Tuesday morning. That you, with a heart beating and your eyes shining on a big day of me. Lie with you on a Tuesday morning. 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 Oso ondo. Bueno, saiatuko gare beste batero. Y ya está. ¿Qué hacéis? Sugar! Bueno, diskoa sortzerakoan hau izan lehengo kantua.
When your life is so needed and seen in the line, and you're thinking about having a loss, you lost goodbye with a broken pen, and nowhere to run.
My room is full of empty papers and my head is trying to read all friends now. I know it already to realize my world never wanted to be right. Hey, mate, what you wanted? I never had no choice. Say, violent, honest, is what I've been trying for so long. Hey, mate, I feel so wanted. I think I need someone. Hey, hey, mate, I wanna be with you. But you know that problem is you.
The moment with you will always so nice. If I could repeat, I would make it alright. But you know that it's no turning back. The smell of the shit is so strong.
Life is on now, life is on now. Something everywhere. Life is on now, life is on now. Yes, something is everywhere. Hey, mate, what you wanted? I never had no choice. Say, fight, learn, honest, is what I did. Trying for so long. Hey, mate, I feel so wanted. I think I need someone. Hey, hey, may I wanna be with you. Fight to the best problem is you. In the night, I can see everything, but they will say you no more crying. In the night, I can see everything, but I feel it dancing with you, no less so. In the night, I can see everything, but they will say you no more crying. In the night, I can see everything, but I feel it dancing with you, no less so.
Aupa, la hostia, Xavier.
Lo. Instrumentuak jantzinik prestago dena bakatu zala berriz ere berandu zabiltza. Esto es de familia, Kantau hasi Niri kondatuta termostatoa Amplita bajua, hobeto ez dauzka Romeo Gabon, zure ahotsanot Yo para ser feliz quiero cambiar Inmigrante asko jarriak Eskuterraz beñak Ama biziklekin dikon Peru pinturas bai
Ez gara honenak, ez da formalenak, aldrebezak, mozkorrak, lotxabakoenak, eta zu ere, txobonen parte zara.
Anormala
Gure manai aldeko errena, baina meritua beti izan da zuena. Beti zuena.
Igorra txikliak, Peruren pintura, Ibiren amplia, Romeoren ahotsa, Inen paperak, Peñaten motorra, sala iritsi da. Botatu! Lo 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 lo, lo 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 lo, lo 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 lo, lo 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 lo, 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 lo 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 Manu fascista, corneto askatu! Manu fascista, corneto askatu! Manu fascista, corneto askatu! Manu fascista, corneto askatu! Manu fascista, corneto askatu!
Manu fascista, corneto askatu!
Eskerrik asko!
Seems jolly rotten. There's something you've forgotten, and that's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Just purse your lips and whistle, that's the thing. Hey, always look on the bright side of life. Come on. Always look on the bright side of life. For life is quite absurd, and death's the final word. You must always face the